Hey everyone, Bea here from InfoChoice, and in this video, I'll run you through some of the hottest home loan deals for January. There's a bit of chatter about a possible February rate hike, which could nudge fixed rates up early. But the good news is, there are still a few home loan deals under 5% to kick off the year. GNC Mutual Bank has one of the better deals around at the moment. That's 4.85% fixed for 3 years, as long as you've got at least a 30% deposit. Horizon Bank also lands just a tad below 5% at 4.99% for first home buyers. And Unity Bank also offers the same rate for their special home loans designed for essential workers. Finally, let's talk about some of the cashback offers currently available in the market. Based on our research, there are 10 offers available at the moment. While a few wrapped up at the end of 2025, we're seeing new offers come through, including Bank of Queensland's refinance cashback. If you want more information on this, or you'd like to compare home loans, just head to infochoice.com.au. Thanks for watching.